In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a magnifying glass effect in Canva, a cool and creative way to highlight important details in your images. First, you'll want to navigate to canva.com. If you're not logged in already, take a moment to do so. You can access your account by entering your login credentials. Once you're in, head over to your projects and open the specific project you're currently working on. Now identify the image you want to focus on. This should be the part of your project you intend to emphasize with the magnification effect. Duplicate the selected image to preserve your original design, giving you flexibility in case you need to make any changes later on. With the duplicated image selected, it's time to zoom in or crop to the specific area you'd like to magnify. Think of it as focusing on a particular detail you want your viewers to notice, whether it's a logo, a text element, or a subtle detail in a photograph. Next, we're going to incorporate an essential element that makes this effect pop, the circle frame. To do this, you'll want to navigate to the Elements tab on the left-hand side of your Canva interface. Once there, use the search bar and type in circle frame. You'll see a variety of frames pop up, including the circle frame we need. Click on it to add it to your project. With the circle frame added to your canvas, you'll drag the cropped, zoomed-in image into this frame. This step is quite intuitive in Canva, as the image will snap right into place inside the circle once dragged over it. If necessary, adjust the size of the frame to capture the exact portion you want to spotlight. Once your image is nested inside its circle, the next step is to layer this circle over the original image, positioning it precisely over the area it represents. This is where you see the magic unfold. As the zoomed circle aligns with the original, it creates the illusion of magnification. Take your time to adjust the positioning and make sure it matches up perfectly for the best visual effect. For an extra touch of realism, you might want to add a graphic of a magnifying glass over the circle. Head back to the Elements tab and this time type in magnifying glass to find graphics that suit your style. Choose one you like and layer it over the circle frame. This step is optional, but it can add a nice, realistic touch to your effect. And there you have it. You've just created a magnifying glass effect in Canva that can draw attention to the finer details within your designs. Feel free to experiment with different frames and graphics to truly make this effect your own.